I learned a bit about syntropic agriculture, which is a system where they really promote that you try and create a lot of diversity and work with all the different kinds of plants that you could possibly think of. Principle number 1 is your soil is always covered. Principle number 2 is you try and make sure that there is as much photosynthesis taking place as you could possibly manage, which means you try and have all kinds of leaves in all possible layers to do that photosynthesis. Number 3 is working with those different layers of plants and trees, because in the forest you see how they fit together, because you've got some of the very tall trees just sticking out on top there. There's only a few of those. Then you have the medium trees and there's a few more of them. Then there is the lower ones, there's a few more of them again. And then as you go down, it becomes thicker and thicker and thicker. So that's how the strata work in nature. And you need to try and have that into your system. Principle number 4 is working with succession. That's another principle in nature whereby if a piece of soil is very degraded, then there's only certain species that can grow there. They come in as the first pioneers. They create a better structure in the soil, and with the leaf drop that they have, they create more food. Then there is a second group of plants that can grow there because now there is a bit more nutrients. And then there is another one. So that is what's called succession. And that's also what you try and work with in your syntropic agriculture. And then number 5 is management. Because now you work with this huge variety of all these different plants, and you still need to give them all those little niches that they need in order to produce. And each of them has different requirements.